Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make crispy and tasty Daal Fritters. This snack is famously known as Parippuvada. So first we are going to need 2 cups of masoor dal. Soak the masoor dal in water for 1 hour. The rest of the ingredients are green chilli, curry leaves, half onion and ginger. Transfer the green chilli into the mixer. Add the ginger next. Grind it into a paste like this. Next start adding the soaked masoor dal. Add salt to your taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Close the lid and grind it into a thick paste. Make sure your paste looks like this. Now transfer the paste into a bowl. Grind it till the whole dal is complete. Next chop your onions and curry leaves. Add this to the dal paste. And start mixing it all together. Use your hand to mix it so it gets mixed properly. Now it's time to fry it. Pour oil and wait for it to heat up. Make a ball and press it flat. And put it into the preheated oil. Repeat the steps and fill the pan. After a while, flip the Daal Fritters. Once it's fried and crispy, transfer it into a plate. Always fry the Daal Fritters at a low flame. Keep frying till the dal mix is over. And our crispy and tasty Parippuvadas are ready. Thanks for watching. If you want more recipes like this, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Hope you like our video. Till the next video, bye bye.